Good morning, students. In reasoning, today we are going to do coding and decoding. What is coding? Coding means convert the message or information into secret language. Language that is called coding. And what is decoding? That is called means in which we will convert that will not be easily understandable for all. Decoding means convert that secret language into the message or इंफॉर्मेशन या मैसेज के अंदर कन्वर्ट करना सीक्रेट लैंग्वेज को क्या कहलाता है? कोडिंग. डिकोडिंग कहलाता है. कोडिंग क्या कहलाता है? मैसेज को सीक्रेट लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट करना क्या कहलाता है? कोडिंग कहलाता है. इसके अंदर आज हम करेंगे नंबर कोडिंग. इसका एक एग्जांपल ले लेता हूं. एग्जांपल है सेंट इज कोडेड एज सेंट इज कोडेड एज 74128. Excel is coded as 36539. We have to find out the code for X. Find out the code for X's. Now, if you will compare, then A is 4. So we can start by 4. Then C. C we can get from here. That is 3. So third letter, that is 5. Now, then again C is there. Then will 5. Now E. If you will compare with E, then it will be 3. Now S. S is 7. So what will be the code for the X's? That is 455377. Yes, it is. Now one more example is there. If C is equals to 3 and cat is equals to 24, then what will be the code for monk? Yes, if you will remember the ABCD, then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we write the number then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That are the position of the letters. Now that is based on position of that. C is equal to 3. If I will verify that one also, 3 plus A is equals to 1 plus T is equals, what is the position of T? T is equals to 20. If I will add them, it is equals to 24. So that is verified. So it is the based on the position of the letter. So if I will that M is 13, O 15, N 14, K 11. If I will add them all, then it is equals to 15 plus 14 equals 29, 29 plus 11, 40, 40 plus 30 is equals to 53. So monks will be coded as 53. Next is there. That is given that mathematics, MATHEMATICS TICS. Mathematics is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. We have to find out the code for Mahatma. MAHATMA. इसके लिए हमें कोड फाइंड आउट करना है. सिंपल सा कोड है. देखिए MA यहाँ से ले लेते हैं. यस. और MA के लिए जो कोड है वो कितना है? 1 2 क्या? Next is that H. H is the fourth one. So what is the code for the H? That is 4. Then yes. After that it is A. A it is 2 and T. Three and MA. It is same as that 1 2. So what will be the code for that? 1 2 4 2 3 1 2 for Mahatma. Mahatma will be coded as that. Now one more is given that if 1 2 3 is written as 987. 987. So how we can write that 2 3 4? Yes, like if you will write a counting, then it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, like yes, they are related to that, like that. So for 2 3 4, that will be coded as 2 is related to that 8. 3 is related to what? 7. And 4 is related to as a 6. So what will be the code for that is it is 876. क्या कोड होगा उसके लिए? 876 होगा. One more see example. BAT is coded as 23 and CAT is coded as 24. Yes, if you remember that cat is here also, so which it is based on position. किस पे based है? Position पे based है. हमें किसकी बतानी है? बॉल की बतानी है. बॉल की कोडिंग बतानी है. तो सिंपल सा है, ये पोजीशन पे बेस्ड है लेटर्स की. ठीक है, ये हम वेरीफाई करेंगे. इसे हमने वेरीफाई कर लिया था अभी. इसे कर लेते हैं. 2 + 1 + 20 it is equal to 23. Verified. So here is the position. So position of B is here 2. Position of A is 1, position of L is 12, position of L is 12. If you will add them all, 24 + 3, 27. So ball will be coded as 27 or 27. Next example I will take. It is given that doctor is converted as PQEVQT. Clear? PQEVQT. We have to find out the code for the professor. प्रोफेसर का हमें क्या करना है? कोड फाइंड आउट करना है. बहुत सिंपल सा मेथड है. यस, हाउ वी कैन सी? क्लियर अबाउट इट? So it is F, not that. See, here it is one letter is X. Now C O P C D, then T U, then O again P, then R again S. So one letter we have skipped and write the next letter. So here also that if you will skip one letter, P, Q will be skipped and it will be R. R will be, S will be skipped, then P, Q will be skipped, sorry, O, P will be skipped, then Q, F, G will be skipped, then H. See that here we skip Q, S, T, F, G, F, then E, F, G, S, T, U, S, T, U, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So what will be the code for that? RTQXGUUQT for the professor. Now see that some more examples I am going to take now. It is given that entry ENT of Y written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Example it is. And STD is written as 931785. 931785. Clear? 931785. 931785. Now we have to find out the code for the DEAREST. DEAREST. Clear about it? Now if you will focus on that and then apply that, that is B means here it is 8. E you can take from here and here also. Here it is B. So it is 1. Clear? A is I am taking from here, that is very easy, that is 7. R is here 4. Then E, again E I have taken as 1. Then S and T. S T you can directly take, that is up here 9 3. Clear? बहुत सिंपल सी कोडिंग और डिकोडिंग चैप्टर है और you can easily do. Now see one more question I am taking, that is it is given that God is great. God is great. Coded as 135. Coded as 135. India is big. Coded as India is big. Coded as 634. And India wins coded as 67. We have to find out Big India. Code for Big India. See that? Clear about it? We have to find out the code for Big India. Now, first thing, that is common in both. Yes. So which number is common in them? 3. So what will be the code for it? 3. Up to here it is clear. Now, what is common in that 2 letters? That is India. India is common in them, and which number is common in them? 6. Means for India the code is 6. And then what is left? Big. And for big the code is 4. So what will be the code for Big India? Big India. Big code is 4. For India the code will be 6. Yes. Do the given question. Thank you.